Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Tibaldi Goes My Nights, and here we have the build of the Tamiya's 1/35th scale British self-propelled anti-tank gun Archer. So we've got the first few bits off, cleaned up and off the sprue, ready to be glued together. Obviously, Mr. Underprepared has not got his glue. So we've got this is B10 and B13 this is. Fortunately, it's a little bit cooler here, so the glue don't dry as quickly. Sorry if I'm off shot. And then this bit, which is C20, goes between these lugs, like so. Like that. Let's just plonk this bit in there. This is the back of the seat for the driver's compartment. In there. Clean this. Eject pins off there because they're a little bit raised. Right, so I'll pause it there. I'm going to get these, find these parts and clean them up. You don't want to see me clean them up, so I'll see you in a bit. Right, C10 and C9 here. Obviously they're keyed, so you can't put these bits in the wrong way, upside down, inside out, round and round. So that's the right side done. Then we've got C11 there and C8. Clear off the furriness a bit. A little bit of tack there. Job done. So that's bits there. Then in theory, on step 3 on the instructions, which hopefully you can see, you're plonking, clip that in that way. Oh, it's a bit tight, that one. That's it. Tip that in that way. So get some glue on those. Do the same on this half. On this cuff. And then the moment's been prepared for the instrument panel. So hopefully that will slot in here, like so. Plonk a bit of glue up there. Tap that all down, make sure it's all sitting how it's supposed to. Which it does look like it's supposed to, which is good. And then we shall get some more bits off the board. I'm sorry, I'm going to have to pause it again to get the bits off and clean them up. Makes it easy for you. So I'm going to grab those bits off the sprues, and then we're going to start to assemble it. All right. We'll get those bits off as well. So right, and we're back. So you've got C45 here, which we know is part of the gun. So we've got to make sure this gets tacked in there. That's the first part of step 4 done. Second part is this part. So we've got to locate it on the side panel. Let a bit of glue get around that side. Oh, you cheeky bugger, you stay put, right, naughty boy. That's it. That's glued on there. Those bits we don't need, we'll put those over there. And now, in theory, this is where the fun begins. I'm going to locate that on that side. Right. Glue that in that side. Done. That's that there. And then we have to glue these bits in. Now obviously they're quite handy because they've done with the locations, so you can tell you can't get them in the wrong way round, or in theory upside down. So we've got one side glued on. Won't glue any onto there because we need to fiddle about to remove that into place. And this back one's the same. Sorry if it's off camera, it does look as though I'm going to pull this up a bit. That's it. So you can, I know you don't want to see any what's this of my groin. This one's got the same key on this side, so you can tell it's the right way up. Alright, and then finally for this part we shall get this part here and this probably will require some swearage from me, like that way. Get it the right way round, James. And that just locates in there like that. No swearage needed. Impressive, most impressive. God, I sound like Darth Vader. Honest, Gov. The good news is, on one of my other stalled Tamiya build, the Samoy, I've got some 3D printed tracks. So I should be able to get it sorted at some point this week, while I'm chasing up a lost part for the on the Stalwart, on the Saracen, sorry. Right, so we should have some fun games fitting these three parts, and that'll be the end of this part, I'm afraid. So nicely keyed there. And then I drop it like that, twat. Oh, it sits on there like that. That's handy. Oh Christ, there's the yappy dog there. Not Judo, unfortunately, because Judo's is in the doghouse at the moment. He just ate my slipper. So, and then we'll just plonk a little bit of glue around there. Put the shell housing there. And that goes on like that. And there we go. Shell racks. Got to say, this is going together very well. And then this piece, oh dear. I think we'll probably get step 7 done on this part of the build, and then all the running gear and that will build off screen, because it's going to take me forever. So I'll see you in a bit. Right, so we've got all these little bits cut off the sprue. So we'll glue the first one on this side. Touch and flow with the Tamiya extra thin, or what appears to be Tamiya extra thin. It's actually Mr. Hobby Tool Cleaner. Does exactly what it says on the tin. Sounds like the carer's here, because our demented Hoover is going. So that's those two on. And then we got these little bits. Yes, they are handed. There we go, just like that. Rinse and repeat on the other side. There we go. And then we have a door. So I suspect this is for a cabinet. And then we got and there we go. So that's step 7 done. So as I said earlier, I shall pause it there. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.